Okay, so if you look in Google and you're asking Google, is AI going to kill it? Basically, Google is going to tell you no. Conclusion and summary, while ChatGPT is offering remarkable conversational abilities, it's not going to kill Google. And that is based on random post from May 2024 and from LinkedIn. Okay, so let's just put it to test and check it a little bit more practically speaking. So we asked Google, is it better to drink bottled water or tap? And Google says tap water is generally better than bottled water. And it's giving you some reasons and it's quite nice to see. And then on top, that's the Google AI tool. And here it's giving you overall appears that tap water is a better option in most cases. And that's from Medical News Today. All right, but if we ask in ChatGPT the same question, they're saying that it depends on the country where you're from, because sometimes in certain areas and locations, bottled water can be useful in certain locations, especially when you're traveling. In some countries around the world, tap water can be a little bit more risky, dangerous. So this is something that was not mentioned here. So is Google's search engine doing a good job? And that's just a very generic question. On the same time, we asked Google, tell me a little bit more about the dog's cryptocurrency. And this is the result we got. It's about Dogecoin. Now, yeah, we have a faucet for Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is a very old coin in the cryptocurrency, but we refer to dogs. That's actually on the Tone blockchain, and it's quite a new currency. Cryptocurrencies have some popularity. Not getting into the ins and outs of this currency. Dogecoin is here, number 8, and Dogs is far away from it, but it's still that's the currency we're referring to. So if we go back to ChatGPT and we say, "Tell me a little bit more about the Dogs currency," it does the same thing. But you can interact a little bit more with it. You can say, okay, stop. I don't want you. I'm referring to dogs, not Doge. Yes, you see? So so now you can get a little bit more information about it. Oh, you're referring to dogs, not the Dogecoin. And you can interact with Google and tell Google, Google, you provided me the wrong information here. I would like you to give me a better answer. So here we give you 2 examples. Okay, this is this generic question here about tap water or bottled water, or the same thing here with the dog's currency or the Dogecoin. The in and outs actually do prove that AI or tools like ChatGPT is doing a little bit better job than what Google is doing. Now, what's the conclusion from this? Because we try to keep it short and sweet. The conclusion is very simple. It does look like AI can potentially destroy the Google search engine. And what basically made Google the monster that it has become until now is the search engine. Yes, Google has news, videos, maps, and everything, but we definitely see a trend, a change in a trend and everything. A lot of people using ChatGPT. And if you look in, is AI going to kill Google? Even Google itself um, is trying to say AI is ruining the internet. Maybe not. It's actually providing you more information. And Bill Gates actually said that it could kill Google search engine. That was in 2023. Okay. But slowly or not slowly, who knows? Who can predict the future? What's for sure, what we try to practically check the Google search engine against what we have in ChatGPT, the ChatGPT wins hands down. So that's all. Hopefully, if you find this video helpful, feel free to like, share, subscribe, and as always, see you on the next one. Bye for now.